Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. We did something big, something like really big. We're talking like 60-foot long big. We went and bought a house. Technically we bought a shed that we will be turning into a house. So a 16 by 60 foot shed. It's gonna be huge. We did some exploring around a shed dealer, checking out different things, seeing exactly what we wanted, and we had it ordered. Now we gotta get everything ready. So we're gonna take you along with us for this journey. Welcome to our shed to home journey.
This one's a cool one.
That's a cool one?
Uh-huh.
You wanna see?
Yes.
This one is only an 8 by 12.
8-12?
Yeah. Not quite big enough.
I want the buttons on this one.
What do you think of this color?
Let me see it. This one's not hot.
Do you think this one will be cooler?
This one's not hot.
Okay, let's see.
It's hot in here.
It's definitely cooler in here though than the other one. See, these are called lofts.
But in the box, I'm trying to get up there and see what it is.
We'll have to build stairs for a loft. Now, do you think you can stick him up there? Yeah, he wants to see what's up there.
This one's a cool one. That one's good. Now this one's a cool one. It's a pretty one. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. So this one, he said, is a 14 by 40. With the barn style and the lofts. These lofts set low.
Oh, this smells different.
Declan, are you excited about our house we bought?
Buddy didn't see.
I know, they haven't delivered it yet, but we still bought it.
But where?
Well, they're having to build it.
Why?
Because it's so big.
It's gonna be too big.
It might be too big. If you have been with our channel for any length of time, you know we have talked about living in a yurt. We have talked about shipping container homes. We have talked about building a house. We have talked about shed to house more than once. It's been an ongoing thing. I even have a blog post on our website where I go over the different price points of each thing, trying to figure out what the best bang for our buck will be. We have kind of bounced around between the house points, trying to figure out what we wanted, what would give us the biggest bang for our buck, and as prices went up in one department, we kind of went to a different department. As prices came down in that department, we were like, hey, you know, so we've kind of moved around. This purchase was not necessarily planned. Some of our friends come down to visit us. They live in a shed to house. We were talking about their shed to house, and I just looked up the nearest shed dealer on my phone. We've stopped at shed dealers many times and looked to see what we could find in the sizes we wanted at the price points we wanted, and we've been out of luck. The kicker was Premier Portable Buildings is having a 4th of July sale, a freedom sale as they're calling it, where their new sheds are 20% off.
What is that? God bless America.
Yes, 20% off. I did the smart thing. I crunched the numbers and decided it would be a stupid mistake to let this deal pass us by. So while they were 20% off, I contacted a shed dealer. We worked it out. I asked them, what is the biggest shed that you can make that counts on this 20% off deal? His answer was a 16 by 60. Now, I don't know if you've done the math, but that's almost 1,000 square feet. That's not a tiny home. That is a home size. Like, that is a home. It's crazy that we're getting that much out of a shed. And that does not include the 2 lofts that are coming in it. So it's even more square footage than that if you count those. It's pretty exciting. However, that means somebody, that man right there, yep, hi, has got to clear the home site. We had cleared you know, the small brush out of where we were going to put our home, but we never cleared the major trees, and we never poured the foundation because we didn't know what we were going to do, and we were kind of bouncing until we decided on something permanent. But now we've ordered a shed that is currently being built, and our home site is still not cleared. So somebody has been working pretty hard to get that done, and today I'm getting in with him, and we're going to get it cleared.
Get to work.
You get to work. Hey, go sit down up here with me. There it goes. So anytime we clear trees, we take the green pine needles to our goats because it counts as a natural dewormer.
I want to stay over here.
I've got to go feed the goats.
Oh, I want to feed the goats. Hey boys, these like that Levi just got them.
Hey boys. They do like leaves. But pine straw every now and then is really good for them too. These guys right here are our mini Oberhasli bucks. They will be our breeding bucks. It's coming up breeding season. I had been asking for name references, and I think I'm going to go with Brooks and Dunn's. Brooks is the flashier of the two. He's got the blue eyes with the white head. Well, partially white head, and then the white streaks on his side. Dunn is the black one with frosted ears. He does have a moon spot on his chest, so hopefully he will throw babies with moon spots. Are you ready to go back and get back to work cutting down trees?
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
I used my strong master.
You used your strong muscles. Friends, we are starting to get rained on, so it looks like we are done for the evening. We're going to try to clean up a little bit of stuff over here before we call it done. Okay, friends, so I just wanted to show you a quick before and after. So these are all the trees that have to come down for our home to be put in its place. And this is how much we managed to accomplish in the first 24 hours. I think we did pretty good. Now, I know some people are going to be curious on how much this is all costing us, so I'm going to try to keep a running total of what everything is going to cost us. But with the Freedom Sale, we are paying right at $25,000 for the 16 by 60 shed. A big chunk of change, but not as much as if we were to go out and buy even a, like a used nice mobile home or, anything like that. So we're excited about it and we're ready to get started.
Guys, it's starting to get rain on.
Okay, so I got to get you inside because we are seriously getting rained on, but it feels so good. That's all I have for you today, friends. So until next time, bye. We will see you later.